Alright, we're gonna jump right into this. If you're interested in the fully written recipe, check out the link in the description to go to my blog post. To start off, if you're making coulis, begin by placing 3 cups of frozen berries in a small sauce pot over low heat. Allow berries to cook simmering on low while you make your pancakes. Total time for this will be about 15 to 20 minutes. If needed throughout the process, add a little bit of water to thin out, and then at the end sweeten with sugar to taste. To begin our pancakes, in a large bowl, mix 1 1/2 cups of almond milk, 1 1/2 teaspoon of gluten-free vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon of gluten-free vanilla, 1/2 cup of mashed banana, and then in a separate bowl, mix together 1 1/3 cup of high-quality gluten-free flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum. Check the ingredients of your gluten-free flour in case it has xanthan gum already. Slowly mix your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients, being cautious not to overstir. The mixture will be somewhat lumpy. Before you heat your pan, skillet, or griddle, use a clean kitchen towel to apply a very small amount of oil, and then heat to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour 1/3 cup of pancake batter onto the hot cooking surface, and when bubbles form and pop, flip the pancake and allow to cook. Pancakes should be golden brown. Check the insides to make sure they are done. Lastly, to make the aquafaba whip, place the liquid from 1 can of no sodium added chickpeas into the bowl of a mixer. Place the mixer on high speed and whip until peaks form and the liquid takes on the look of whipped cream. Fold in 1 to 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Time to plate. Put down your pancakes, a little bit of berry coulis, garnish with some fresh bananas. Some aquafaba whip, your gluten-free, GERD-friendly banana pancakes are done. If you like what I'm doing here on the Veggie Nerd, remember to subscribe and ring that notification bell. Thanks for stopping by to check out this recipe, and I'll see you in the next one.